In this video I am going to show you how to make a wing nut in Fusion360. First, you need to create a sketch on the horizontal plane. Then draw a rectangle with a diagonal side and revolve that around the straight side. After that, draw a circle 1 centimeter bigger than the bolt you are going to use. Then extrude that all the way through. Next, create another sketch on the horizontal plane. Then draw a wing shape on the nut, then extrude that with the symmetry setting on. Then select that body and select mirror, and then press the line you want to reflect it on. Finally, select the thread and then select the inside of the circle, then press modeled and press OK. Thank you for watching the video. If this helped or you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.